Okay, alright, in this lesson we're going to go over, here we go, even and odd numbers. Now, what are even and odd numbers? So, an even number, we're just going to do this for number. In numbers, these are numbers when divided by 2 gives another whole number. You know, why does it have to be 2? Well, 2 is the lowest number we can get. So for instance, if we have 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, there's a 6, 12, 14, 200. So if you look, if you look, all these numbers, when you break them down, they already have a 2, you know, within them. So if it's divisible by 2, you know, that's the lowest common number. So we could say that it's an even number, right? But if we try to do 3 and divide that by 2, we don't get a whole number. But if we do 3 by, you know, itself 3, we get a whole number. So basically, in order to remember what an even number is, it's divisible by 2. Well, what about the odd number? So if an even number is divisible by 2, then an odd number is not divisible by 2. So that's the easiest thing to do. Just remember 1. If it's even, it's divisible by 2. By default, an odd number is not. And so there are some properties regarding even numbers. Oh, excuse me, not even know. There's some special property regarding some numbers like 0. Whoops. 0. So, what are the properties? So 0 is divisible by 2. 0 is neighbored on both sides by odd numbers. 0 is the sum of an integer with itself, and a set of 0 objects can be split into 2 equal sets. 0 so fits into patterns formed by other even numbers. No, you don't get it.